Hey, sailor. You got a light?
I think I do.
So, sailor, you looking for a good time?
Well, actually, I'm not a sailor. I'm the head of the fraud department at Cellular 2. I'm conducting an investigation in this neighborhood, trying to get information on those cellular phones that have been going around.
More like cellular walkie-talkies, if you ask me. Ooh, baby, wait till I get my talent on that black and blue.
Black and blue, huh?
And that Lorraine.
Lorraine from Cellular 2?
Oh, no. Did I get them in trouble? This is terrible. Me and my big mouth.
No, that's okay. This is just a preliminary investigation. Besides, I never give up my sources.
You're so brave.
Not really.
What's your name? You're big, strong man.
Dalton, what's yours?
Well, everybody around here calls me Tootsie Pop. Because by the time they get to my sweet center, nobody knows how many licks it took to get there.
Tootsie Pop. That's pretty.
You want to go somewhere and have a talk?
Okay. You're a big girl.
Oh, you like that, huh?
This just ain't my day at all.
Hey, I got a headache from my phone.
And what the fuck do you want me to do about it?
Where are those motherfuckers?
I got your motherfuckers.
Hey, man,
I got your motherfuckers right here.
sabes?
Attack your ass.
Lorraine, my office now. Close the door. Look, I've been to the neighborhood. I know what went on. This is a federal offense, Lorraine. I trusted you. How could you do this to the company, huh? You're fired.
I'm gonna find you black and blue.
Damn, there's a ghost town around here. Where everybody at?
Hey, come here.
What you want, man?
Come on, let's talk to you for a second.
Man, what's up? What's happening?
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Shut with a good guy. Calm down.
Yeah, right.
You got any weapons, man?
No, I ain't got no
Hey,
weapons.
partner, look at this. Ah.
Man,
you think you're above
that
the
ain't
law,
mine.
huh?
Hey, that ain't mine.
Oh, shit, that ain't
Hey,
yours.
that's not mine.
Look at that hand, man. Ain't a million of you now, huh, motherfucker? I got a place for you.
I ain't done.
Let's go. Where the hell do you think Fat Boy got him?
Damn, I done kicked my ass.
That's right.
All available units proceed to 7046 Krebs Avenue. We have a domestic disturbance at that
Krebs
address.
Avenue, isn't that your address?
Shit, it's probably already fucking my pops.
Shut up, you chunky
Man,
motherfucker!
man, relax, man.
Shit for brains. Let's go. Come on, there's no fucking wife in there. Come on, come on. Go!
Have mercy on me.
mercy on me.
Martha!
It's not what it seems, honey. Honey, it's not what you think.
She's a freak!
Sweetheart!
She's a freak!
What the hell's going on here, man? Shut up, man! Just shut up! You're all mine, man! Fuck you!
You should have been a man! You should have been a man! You should have been a man!
Let me meet you. Come, champ!
Is that you, honey legs? What you out there making all that noise for? Come in, baby.
Is this where you've been all this time? Everyone has been worried about you.
It's all good, baby. What you tripping on?
What the hell was that?
That's Blue back there watching one of those nasty movies. Come in.
Oh, yeah? Well, you just been telling this grandmother wants another grand. And what happened to your cellular? Everyone's been trying to reach you.
It's broke, baby. Come here. Come here. Stop
Yeah, I bet. Anyways, Tile robbed Lola May, and Andrew got arrested, and I lost...
You lost what?
I lost my job.
What you tripping on?
I know you're trying to hide something back there.
I don't have nothing to hide.
Yeah, right.
What you...
Yeah. Like you motherfucker, I knew you had it, Jay. And who are you?
Well, can't get no worse than this shit.